lightrooms.com. Easy to follow, easy to learn, designed to inspire.
Hello and welcome. My name is Matthew Shonwell. In this video, we're going to talk about how to navigate through Lightroom itself. Now that we're in Lightroom, it's good to know the workspace and sort of how Lightroom is designed for you in mind and how it's designed to be worked in. Lightroom has a number of different modules, from the library module to the develop module and so on. It also has a number of different panels, and each module you're in, whether it's the library module or the develop module, will have different panels available to you. So in the library module, which is the one we're in right now, it's designed for organizing your photos. Basically, it's the first place your photos will go. You'll basically set up catalogs and collections from there and be able to organize your photos so you can efficiently gather them while you're in the other modules from like the develop module and so on. On the left-hand side of your screen, we see catalog options, we see folder options, collections, sort of that's how you organize your photos. The bottom of your screen, you'll see what you call the film strip. Now, the film strip is amazing because it's a way that you're able to access specific photos without having to go back and back and back to select different collections, let's say. On the right-hand side of our screen, we have the histogram, which gives us all the information we actually took the photo with. So, for example, the photo that's selected here, we've got the ISO, the focal length, and so on. We also have quick develop tabs. Now, the quick develop tabs are great because you can make quick adjustments really off the fly and not have to do many major things to one photo or many photos. Also on the right-hand side, you'll have a keyword tab, a key list tab, and also metadata. So you can apply metadata to every single photo without having to select individual photos. You can apply it to every single one, or you can sort your photos as well. Now, the next module is the develop module. The develop module is essentially where you're going to do most of your work for editing and processing your photos. The develop module is designed for the same way the library module is designed, where you have different panels which apply to you in different areas. So on the left-hand side of the develop module, we have different presets we can work with. We also have different snapshots depending on how that works. We have the history. So the history essentially works is that every click you make, Lightroom tracks it and basically tells you exactly what's happened step by step. On the left-hand side, it also has collections, so the way you've sorted your photos itself. On the right-hand side, Lightroom, this is the really important area where you'd actually make your changes to, let's say, exposure or contrast. You can play with your tone curve. You can also play with your different specific colors. You can do split toning, play with your details. On the right-hand side is designed where you make your major edits and play with that. Now, let's just say you've finished your photos, you finished processing your photos, and you've done what you want. Now there's also the map tab or develop map module where you can view your photos on the map. You can create a book, a slideshow. You can even edit them for print or export them for print and for the web and so on. Lightroom is a great program with different tabs and panels for you to work with and so on. Now, one of the great features Lightroom has is you can right-click almost anywhere and get a number of different features that come up for the specific module you're in. And there's just so many different things you can work with. So that's the workflow, or a quick overview of the workspace and how it works. Hopefully I shone some light on how you can navigate through Lightroom itself and hopefully inspire you to edit your photos and play with Lightroom a little bit more. Thanks again for watching. My name is Matthew Shonwell from freelightroomtutorials.com.